Hello everybody!
Okay, today we're drawing a Halloween characters. Let's start. First, drawing with her eyes. Like this. And smaller. It's your turn. Oh, wow. Our character is Labubu. Yeah? Start
Labubu
drawing.
goes. It's Labubu goes. Now be quiet. Zip up our mouth.
Drawing zigzag lines for her face and a curved line like this. It's your turn.
This is a funny zigzag.
Okay. Connect them. Now,
It is like a hedgehog.
yeah. Now drawing her nose and smiling mouth. And again, zigzag lines for her teeth. Like this. Now it's time to draw her head shape.
Does he don't have eyelashes?
Something like oval.
Mommy,
Yeah.
why does Labubu don't? She's a girl, right? It's a girl, why is it not? I drawed eyelashes.
You can draw. Something like this.
Alright.
And a big book. It's time to draw her ears. Drawing triangles. 3 sides. Like this.
It's very silly.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Do it for the other side. Now it's time to draw the pumpkins. First the bat. Okay, let's draw the bat. Draw the bat ears and 2 curved lines for his face, like this.
It's so fun.
Okay.
It's so funny. This is the trickiest part.
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse.
And draw some curved lines.
Pumpkin. A scribble.
His eyes, like this. And Mart. It's so funny.
Yeah. I think like a bird. No, just like a
Okay.
bird. It's funny. So funny. I did that very funny.
Okay. Now let's draw the pumpkin.
Big
Like
pumpkin.
this.
I did good thing. Can I draw your heart?
Okay. Draw the pumpkin.
Scribble. Pumpkin heart. Bad luck. Pumpkin heart. Bad luck. Pumpkin luck. Heart. Bad luck. Pumpkin heart. Bad luck. Pumpkin heart.
Draw the pumpkin hands. Drawing the line and okay. Now I try to draw his eyes.
It's funny.
Like this.
It's funny too. Ooh. Labubu eye. Labubu eye.
And a triangle nose.
Triangle nose. This one.
And draw some lines for his mouth. Like this. want to draw his leg. Like
Two pencils.
do it for the other side.
Black feet. Black feet, funny feet. Ooh,
And complete the pumpkin shape. Like this.
Can I done? But what is it?
Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. Now I want to draw another pumpkin.
Pumpkin. X.
Triangle for his eyes. Triangle nose. And some funny mouth. A little bat here.
I draw two batches
Okay.
and the pumpkin.
Now I use black marker to make this drawing more visible.
Mommy, can I start the pen? Purple, please. Purple, purple, purple. Purple, purple.